Hello, and today we are looking at the Gemini Jet's General Aviation Cessna 172 Skyhawk in 172 scale. And as you can see, this model comes packaged in this very nice presentation box. See, it's got this nice design on it. On the front, we have an image of the plane identical to the one found inside. We have the model of the plane, again, the Cessna 172 Skyhawk, its scale. You can see here it's a die-cast model, so it's a nice quality piece. Looking around, moving on to the back, we have another image of the plane here, this time from the other side, but it is still identical to the model found inside. And then here we have a little information about what a Gemini jet is, or in this case, a Gemini jet's general aviation. Moving back to the front, you can see here it says look inside, and if you open that up, you can see the model of the plane inside the box without having to get it out through this nice little display window. So you can have it on display very easily, like so, without having to get it out and risk damaging the model. And then here on the lid, we have some information about the model, such as at the top here, this is a little history of the Cessna 172 Skyhawk, which we will get into a little bit of it later. And then down here on this part, we have some specification information, such as length, height, wingspan in feet and inches, and then some other information you may like to know, such as empty weight, cruising speed, maximum speed, and things of that nature. So you can have the information on display with the model if you so chose. But now let's open it up and have a look at the model itself. Comes out like so. And there you have it. In these two pieces of plastic, just gently remove the top. Now I have already said that this is a die-cast metal model, but it is still quite delicate, and there may be some smaller parts which may be prone to breaking if you are not careful. But this is a collector's model, so it should always be handled with care. And as you can see here, it comes with a display stand, which we will put it on later. So you see these three parts. But here it is. Just remove the little piece of plastic from the bottom. The Cessna 172 Skyhawk in 172 scale. And this is a lovely detailed die-cast metal model with tons and tons of accurate detail. As you can see, look here from here, you can see the tricycle landing gear with little pods on them. And they do actually have rollable wheels, as you can see. You can roll your thumb all along them, and all three of them rollable wheels. You can see the propeller at the front. Of course, it is a moving propeller. As you can see, it's big, high fixed wing with the struts supporting it. And looking at the wings, you can see there's tons of detail on it, like the flaps, ailerons on it. It's very, very nice. And as this is a general aviation, you can see here we have clear windows that you can actually see through. So you can see inside the cockpit of this plane and all the seats found inside. Moving on to the tail of the plane, you can see here on the stabilizers for the rudder, the elevators on them looking very nice. And you can see really nice at the detail. We've got these little antennas here and here and here. And these are the parts that may be more delicate, so should always be handled with care. As this is not a toy, it is a collector's model. Let's turn it around so we can see the detail on this other side of the model. Just to show it is all the way across. The detail just is universal on this model. Looking underneath, you can see same level of detail. And that there is the hole where the stand fits into. And then here you've got, it says Gemini Jet, got a little logo on the bottom. Very nicely at the landing gear. I thought it's very, very nice. It also has a really nice livery design with this very nice blue and black design. And there's a big registration written on it of N46418. And that was written on both sides of this model, as you can see. Now let's get into a little bit about this model. This is a Cessna 172 Skyhawk, which is a 4-seat, as you can see through the window, single engine, high wing. You can see it's right at the top here, rather than coming out from the side. Fixed wing, as you can see, they've got the struts holding it in place. Aircraft made by the Cessna Aircraft Company. Now this plane Now, the Cessna 172 Skyhawk first flew in 1955 and then entered production in 1956 and is still in production today with over 40,000 produced to date. And as it's still in production, more are still being produced. And that's, with more being produced still, more Cessna 172s have been built than any other aircraft. This is literally the most built aircraft in the world. And it has been highly successful. It is the most successful mass-produced light aircraft in history, as well as just in general, the most successful aircraft of all time, with the most being built and sold. So this is a real piece of aviation history, the most successful aircraft ever produced. Now this particular Cessna 172 is modeled after one found on the flight line of Sporty's pilot shop, and it is used for recreational flying and career pilot training at Sporty's pilot shop. And this is located at Sporty's Clermont County Airport in Batavia, Ohio, in the United States. So this plane is still flying and doing its service of helping, new pilots train to fly. It's a very cool plane with a nice piece of history to go along with it. It has a wingspan of about 15.2 centimeters and is about 11.5 centimeters long. So it's got a quite nice size to it. And of course, we've seen the big registration of N46418, and it's a really nice livery. You see all the nice printing details on it. Just overall, this is a really nice model. Now let's have a look at it on its stand. Let's remove this box out of the way. Place the model down. As you can see, the stand is in 3 pieces. You just pop the stand into there and there. And then take the stand and you can just gently push the stand onto the model. Then you can have it on display like so. So you don't have to buy your own stand, as it comes with one prepared. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.